Hello students, I am Professor Dr. Kavita Tote. Today's video is related to the content of CET, Common Entrance Test and Competitive Exam. Many factors are important for every entrance and competitive exam. Today's video is based on the odd man out component. Finding out which element of the given question is different is odd man out. In these kinds of questions, you are given a group of similar items except one. You are supposed to identify that item. Let us understand odd man out today through some questions. First question. This question involves some precious stones like garnet, ruby, emerald and topaz. But graphite is not a precious stone. So the odd man out of this question is graphite. Except graphite other are precious stones. Next. This question appears to include some vegetables like carrot, potato, ginger, beetroot are the ones that are grown underground and tomatoes grow on the ground. So the odd man out of this question is tomato. All except tomato grow underground. Next question. This question appears to involve a variety of birds. Peacock, quail, crow, parrot are birds on the ground, which means they are not water birds. But swan is a water bird. So the odd man out of this question is swan. Swan is the only water bird in the group. Next question. This question contains some English alphabets. Each of these first alphabet is repeated a second time, such as B, B, C, B first letter, other B, D, E, D, 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 A, F, A, A, G, G, H, G, G. But the first alphabet is not repeated in K, L, L. Alphabet K is a first letter, so here is not repeated K alphabet. So the odd man out of this question is KLL. Except KLL, in all other letter groups, the first letter is repeated. Next question. This question involves figures in geometry. These are linear figures of square, triangle and rectangle. But the circle is not a linear figure. So, the odd man out of this question is circle. Except circle, all other figures are bounded by straight lines. Next question. This question involves some elements of nature. Bird, branch, leaf and root are different parts of the plant. So the odd man out of this question is plant. Except plant, all are parts of a plant. Next question. This question contains some numbers. Of these, 12, 23, 43, 63 are odd numbers. 51 is not an odd number. So the odd man out of this question is 51. Except 51, sum of digits of other numbers is odd. This question includes capital and small alphabets. Each of these elements start with a capital alphabet and ends with a small alphabet. But the last alphabet in capital D, small e, capital F is capital. So the odd man out of this question is D, E, F. The letter group DEF is different in all other letter groups. The last letter is small. Next question. In this question, whale, snake and frog is the second class of animal to which the first belongs. So the odd man out of this question is salamander insect. Last question. In this question, the relevant object is formed from the first element, like nest from twigs, furniture from wood, ornaments from gold, but pottery is not made from pitcher. So, the odd man out of this question is pitcher pottery. Except pitcher pottery, in all other groups, first is the material used to make the second. Today's video was based on how to identify odd man out. While searching for the answer to odd man out, we have studied the information on how to think. This video is definitely going to be useful for you while preparing for different types of exam. In next video, we will study some more tricks on new topic. Like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.